Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So today we'll see practical problems of time value money. Okay. So here first method, two methods are there, you know that. Just a recap of the previous class. Compounding future value technique we'll see today. Second method was discounting present value method. Two methods. Na? First method is compounding future value technique. Second method, discounting present value method. In compounding future value method, we have two methods. One is future value of a single cash. Single cash of future value we wanted to find out. Present value is suppose a 10,000. Future value how much? Present value 10,000 means single cash, no? So that single cash, that 10,000, how much it will be in future? So this we are going to focus. Second one is future value of annuity. That we'll see the next class. Now right now we are focusing future value of single cash flow. What is this future value of single cash flow? As I said, I am having 10,000 rupees at present. Future how much it is? Want to calculate. This we are going to. Now here single cash flow means only one cash flow we have. Single. If it is more, then that will be future value of annuity, that second part. Now only one single cash flow is there. How do we calculate? Simple, nothing to worry. There is a formula. You have to just remember that formula. Formula is FVN is equal to V naught 1 plus I to the power of n. Easy to remember? FVN is equal to V naught into 1 plus I to the power of n. So FVN means amount at the end of the period. Amount at the end of the period. Future how much will be the amount? This amount we are going to calculate. Future. So this is present. Future how much it will be? That is, we say it as a FVN. FVN is amount at the end of the period. Okay. And V naught. V naught means principal amount at the beginning of the period. V naught is principal amount at the beginning of the year. 10,000. This is V naught. And what we are going to find out is FVN. Next, I, interest rate. How much is the interest rate? I am investing 10,000. What will be the interest rate? Interest rate something will be given. Say 10% they said. That is interest rate. And here N is there. N means number of years. Number of years. Clear? Formula you have to remember. FEN is equal to V naught into 1 plus I to the power of N. FEN, amount at the end of the period. What we are going to calculate? This one. V naught, principal amount at the beginning of the year, this amount, how much you are investing. Interest rate, I is interest rate, N number of years, how many years you are investing. Clear? We'll see a problem. Only this if you remember. This is manual calculation. And this is through the table. Cash flow tables are there. I'll focus this later. Right now you remember only the manual calculation. Formula is this. Let's focus on the problem. The problem is here. Calculate the future value of 30,000 rupees invested for a period of 2 years at interest rate of 10%. Important points will note down. Calculate the future value of 30,000. At present I am investing 30,000. Calculate future value. Invested for a period of 2 years at an interest rate of 10%. 3 points we need. How much we are investing? How many years here we are investing? What is the interest rate? 3 points are required as per the formula. 3 points. 1, 2, 3. We'll apply in the formula. So, solution. Formula already I have written. I don't want to write. You need to write the formula and also elaborate it. Abbreviations. FNV, FVN what, I what, V what, V not what. Okay. So like everything you have to write, then after that solution. So anyway it's written, so I am not writing here. Are you getting me? Now coming to the solution. FVN is equal to V naught. V naught is the principal amount at the beginning of the period, that is 30,000. V naught is 30,000. In brackets 1 plus I means interest rate. Interest rate is how much? 10%. 10 by 100. 10% means. To the power of N. N means number of years. How many years? 2 years. Let's go for calculation. So 10 by 100 means it comes to 0.1. 30,000 into 1 plus 0.1 to the power of 2. So this is 30,000 as it is, 1 plus 0.1 means 1.1, okay, 1.1 into 1.1 because this is to the power of 2, 1.1 into 1.1 which comes to 1.21 into 1.21. 1.1, this is, let me give you clarity, 1.1 into 1.1. We got it 1.21, that we have written. 30,000 into 1.21. 36,300. This is the answer. At present 30,000 we have, okay. Let me explain it. At present we have 30,000. We have invested 30,000. For 2 years we have invested at the rate of 10%. After 2 years how much it will be? After 2 years how much it will be? So if we calculate, we got it 36,200. After 2 years we'll be getting 36,200. Single cash flow. Single cash flow means only 30,000 is there. Am I clear? Suppose same problem. Don't feel happy. Oh yes, very easy madam. There are some twists. Suppose say if it is this 2 years, let us assume it as 18 years. How do you calculate then? So this is okay, 30,000 plus 10 by 10% to the power of 18 it comes. If it is 1.1 into 2 means we have done calculations like this, double time. 3 times also you can do, 4 times also you can do, but 18 times how do you do? Just imagine. So that is why here what you can do is there is a table, present value table is available. Present value table means that calculations everything is given through the table. Whenever you have such kind of twist, use the present value table and you can calculate it easily. No need of all this lengthy formula and nothing is required. Whenever you find such kind of 18 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, then go for this. This is as per the table. Table method you can say. When do we use? When years are more. Years are more. Manually calculation is very tough. Then we are going for this formula. FVN is equal to V0 into CVP. CVP means compound value factor. We are going to use present value table. Where is the book? You take any book related to the financial management, any book, at the end of the book tables are given to you like this. Total 4 tables are there. 4 tables. One is present value, normal values, present value. Second table, present, I'll write it here. Tables, 4 tables. One is present value, I'll write. Present value table, simple table, okay. Second one is present value annuity table. In the same way, present value is over a future value. Future value table, per rupee you can say, per rupee how much it is, per rupee. And fourth one is future value annuity table. These 4 tables we have. Now according to the problem we have to use the table. Now what we are doing, future value in single cash flow. Future value means this one, third one we are using it. Future value we are using. This table we have to see. If it is annuity method, future value annuity method, then we would have gone for the 4th table. Present value calculation, first one will take. Present value annuity will take the second table. 4 tables are there. Okay. So I'll show you how to see the table also. Now right now which table we have? Future value table. So first 4 pages are there. Present value annuity. Can you see? I'll try to give you a screenshot. Present value and annuity was there. This was present value annuity, and then a present value per rupee, future value annuity, and a future value rupee. What we want? Future value rupee. Means this table we want. Future value table. How to see? First we'll write the formula as per the table. This is one method. Second method is as per the table. What is the formula? Formula is this one. FVN is equal to V0. V0 is how much? 30,000. Into CVP, compound value factor. Compound value factor, how do you get how much you are invested? 30,000. How many years? 2 years at the rate of 10%. Remember, 2 years at the rate 10%. This we have to see it in the table. How many years? How much is the percentage? Only 2 points we required. So 2 years here, periods are given on the corner. Periods are given in the corner and the percentage is on the top. So they are saying 10%, no? 2 years 10%. 2 years is this. 10% comes to 1.210. 1.210. This is 1.210. I am getting as per the table. Future value table. This is future value, no? So we are calculating future value of single cash flow. Just if you multiply, you will get the same value. 36,300 only you are going to get. See, 30,000 into 1.210. It comes to 36,300. Same value. It means you can go manual calculation. This is as per the manual calculation, as per the formula. This is as per the table. Table calculation means no need of formula. Only simply how much you have invested. You should know that amount and then calculate it like this. How many years? What is the interest rate? Years and interest rate, if you know, you will get value, future value table value. So multiply that investment into value. So you are getting as per the table also same amount. This is useful especially when years are more, as I said, 18 years, 15 years or 10 years. Very difficult enough to calculate this. To the power of 2 is okay, to the power of 3 is okay, 4 okay, but not beyond that. So that is why this is very important. Did you follow this class, today's class? Want to take screenshot? Yes. Same kind of problem you can work out and see. Shall I give you homework? Say for example the same problem, instead of 30,000 you take 50,000. 50,000, make it 50,000. Years also you take it 5 years, or otherwise make it 8 years. Interest rate 12%. Take it as a homework. 30,000 is changing into 50,000 and 2 years is changing into 80 years and 10% is changing into 12%. What is the answer? Your answer. Both the methods you try. Let me know your answer in the comment box. Everyone, whoever is trying, please write it in the comment box. And is it matching with others' answers? And after some period, I'll write my answer also. Okay, you can check it out. Stay connected, practice well. Next class, we'll see this method, future value annuity. Future value, what we have seen, single cash flow. Future value annuity we'll see in the next class. No confusion, slowly we'll go. Okay, stay connected, practice well. Don't forget to share these videos. Good luck.